Okay, you've created the hot new character. Everybody loves this character. But now, everybody wants this character on everything. What do? Well, you have to create multi-use artwork or multi-purpose art. What is that? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain it. I'm going to show you how to create it and why it's so necessary for an independent creator in order to monetize their characters and grow them as large as possible. All right, let's get into the video. What's up guys, David Gordon here, DKG72. Today we're going to be talking about multi-use artwork or multi-purpose artwork. And the reason why we're talking about multi-purpose artwork is I'm actually working on a project right now where I have to create a group of original characters for an upcoming event in February. Now these characters belong to a band, and this band is actually going to be omnipresent on the website and all marketing materials for this event. So they really are important. And this got me to thinking about independent creators and their need to have multi-purpose or multi-use artwork so that they can create plenty of merch so that when they go to the cons or on the websites, they have things that are instantly monetizable. So what's multi-use artwork? Well, it's either standalone poses or group shot that can be used for any number of needs. So be it the website, be it merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, hats, or caps, or just flat out marketing material. Say for instance, you luck up and you get a billboard along your local freeway. You might want to use a drawing that you already have to go ahead and put together for the layout, and bam, you're ready to go. Also for independent creators, speed is of the essence. So having multi-use artwork just readily available when you might need to create something on the fly is just a game changer. So a couple things that you need to think about with your multi-use artwork. You want to make sure that it's different poses of your characters. You want to make sure that it shows them in the best light possible, right? And then you want to make sure that it's ready available. Like I have a folder that's called MultiPurpose Art. It's actually available on my computer and on my Google Drive right now. So I could be anywhere. I could be in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and if I need to put together something quick, I can go on the cloud, grab a PNG of my favorite character pose that I've created for KWAME, throw them on there real quick, bam, I got a flyer, I've got whatever I need for that moment. Okay, so let me explain to you the process of actually making the multi-use art. Basically what you want to do is once you've gotten your standalone drawings done or your group shots done, you want to go ahead and color them up, and then you want to save them out as PNGs and JPEGs. Most of us are either going to be drawing digitally or we're going to draw traditionally. Your digital artist, just make sure that once you get done with the art, flatten it and you save it out as a PNG. Save it as a PSD, leave it raw so you can make changes. But if you're really happy with the artwork, save it as a PNG after. So PSD, then go back, flatten, drop out the white background, save as PNG. There you go. That's all you got to do. I would always recommend saving it as a JPEG as well. Now a couple weeks ago I was doing some video that never really made it anywhere, but I dropped a couple jewels on how you should save out your artwork, and I wanted to go ahead and kick it to Past Dave and let him talk to you about that, because I think that right there is going to save a lot of confusion. Take it away, Past Dave. So pro tip, whenever you're naming your files, what I also like to do is also like to name the file whatever I'm going to call it, and then I like to put it in at the resolution that I scanned it at. So this particular file, I scan everything in at 600 dpi, so therefore I always save it and then I mark it as the 600 dpi file, and then when I go back and I mark my other working files accordingly. So when I reduce it down to 300 dpi, I'll mark that one 300, 150, 72. So I always know the resolution of whatever file that I'm sending before I'm sending it. So I'm not sending a super heavy file to anybody, and I'm not sending a super low resolution file to anybody. That was good information. Thanks, Paz Dave. Now let's get back to the video. All the major companies have multi-purpose art. DC, Marvel, everybody has multi-purpose art, because when it comes to slapping a Superman or Spider-Man on a shirt, they don't always have time to commission an artist to do that, and sometimes they just want people to pick a design and go. For us, because we're independent creators, it works pretty much the same way. We just want to sometimes be able to pick a design and go. This hoodie, for example, was made using multi-use artwork. I've got this particular pose for KWAME on a couple different items, and the reason why I'm using it like that is because it's fast, it's easy, it's ready to go, and I already know that it's going to have an immediate impact with the crowd. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope that you get the drawing and you create all the artwork that you need so that you can create nice coffee mugs, t-shirts, blankets, hoodies, whatever with your character. Now, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button and share it all over the internet. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the community. And everybody, please hit the bell icon. That lets you know when I post up a new video, so you don't have to worry about the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you want to get a hold of me, you can always get a hold of me on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72, my Facebook fan page, David Gordon 72. You can watch some of my videos on TikTok. That's David Gordon 72. And I do have a Patreon if you would like to help support the channel. That's DKG 72 Makes Comics. I also have affiliate links for some of the books that I've created, including Memories of a Bunny Rabbit, which I illustrated for Ashley Winter, Desserts Out the Jar, The Sweet Life, which I illustrated for Yashika McKinney, and of course KWAME Hightower and the Man with No Name. That's my graphic novel, and that's kind of what this channel was built off of, the making of that graphic novel. So I definitely hope that you guys will look those up. They make great Christmas presents, and links are down below. Also, I do have my new sketchbook, which will be coming out soon, and as soon as it's out, I will make sure that's linked. And if you want to get my affordable YouTubers kit, that's also linked below. Again, the holidays are coming. Any art supplies that you may want, all the links are below. Alright guys, hope everybody enjoyed the video, and that's it. I'm out. Peace.
Ooh.